Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I will discuss a little bit about the stock market and then Roblox again. That is like my two main focus for okay, that is my two main focus for the stock. Of course, there's a lot of other stock going good right now because the market condition is going up, but I'm just gonna be focused on two stock. One is Roblox and another one is ETF SPY. That's all. So I use SPY ETF at a market indicator to see where it's going and how well it's performed, whether it's going up, it's in the recovery, or what's going on with it. So you can see a few days ago it break to the supporting level as 390.32, and today another green day, so it went up to 397.37. That is really good news for the market. Hopefully it can hold to it level, and it could be from a few more sessions, then you will see people start investing money, because they will think like, okay, here is the bottom of, the stock market, and this is the time to lower. No more falling down. That's what the price reaction is. So let's see what is the good news out there. Okay, so unemployment rate is going up again, and the labor market is kind of cooling down. And then we have some news out there saying the president has COVID. He got some COVID. Oh wow, that's bad for him. Okay, let's see what else. And then Europe Central Bank, they have rate hike in first 11 years, probably because the dollar is getting so strong, so that's why they increasing their rate to make it more compatible. So their Europe currency will not like way too low to try to fight the inflation over there. That's what they're doing. Apple is, yeah, it kind of not have any breakthrough at this moment. It's still in a cash cow business life cycle, but if it's not changing anything, didn't have any new technology or product, it could go into like go into dead dog sooner or later. But I think they know what they're doing. They're a big corporation. Tesla today is going up, so overall the market is doing well. It's just like people, investor thinking that here is the chain opportunity to lower, then that's why it's kind of boost the whole overall market up a little bit. But for a short term, I would say about 3 months, which still I'm not really have a really good um, solid foundation to actually invest, like put a lot of money invested into it, because right now there's still a lot of issues going on out there. You know that I would say maybe next month will be a better decision to buy or to do more investment, because you will see the inflation rate for July, and then that's where you're gonna compare between July and June, and then if the inflation rate is going down a little bit, then it will signal the market, okay, here could be opportunity to buy up and invest a little bit. You can take a little bit like risk right now, a little bit kind of higher risk than if you wait 1 more month from now, because you get more data and more information to make a good decision. Right now it's just based on the market comeback because of the earning top expectation. There's a chance for them to catch up at the bottom. It's not really certain, because so many things out there they haven't solved it yet. So even though it's break to the downtrend channel, it's still a risk out there, and there's no guarantee or possibility or a really good news to really push the market to a next level. And EV vehicle is still hot. It's still hot, even though the EV stock is went down so bad. Okay, I'm gonna watch it until the next inflation report next week. Then I will see, make some more decision, more investment, maybe a little bit more aggressive when I see the good opportunity to buy. Okay, so let's talk about Roblox again. Today it went up. Pretty steady. I like it when it's going up, but it's not like going crazy. It's just slow and steady. So whenever it's go up steady like this, it's really, to me it's a good sign, a pretty good bullet sign. And you can see there's some bullet signal right here. Since yesterday there's three bullet signal. Momentum is going up. CCI, yeah. So it's still going up based on the trend. It's all going up, and the price target for next week, like Friday next week, the 29th. Let's see, I have my price target for next week on the 29th at about 47. It could be grain from, it could go from let me see, it could be about 43 to 47 next week. But if it's growing up slowly and steady like that, it will be a good sign. Otherwise, shoot up too much, then they change to be short. So hopefully it can keep up with this level and not going crazy. And yesterday I just want to take a look at a little bit about their financial condition. So basically they're not making any money. Their net income is always negative. Their total revenue in a different hand is going up really strong, but we will keep up with growing. I don't know. They could more kids playing game, and then the younger generation just keep up with playing game. And it's a true metaverse platform. The thing that I'm kind of concerned about the company is they have very high operating loss. It's not income, it's a net loss. Cash flow, yeah, with all the financing, which is IPO right here. I mean, when it started IPO, I don't remember, but with the IPO, it's raising money, and that's how they kept more cash flow for their operating. The balance is going up with the assets, probably because of all this stock. And so let's check on the news. There is nothing really outstanding out there. So upcoming will be a quarter two report. We will see more about their financial condition for the quarter two, and hopefully it's doing good. Otherwise it will be short, and then it will go down again. So some analysis expect the company will lose about 25 cents per share. Let me see if they can make it. And it estimates of the income of $644. I mean $644 million. Let me check on the quarterly total revenue. So it kind of have really high expectation for the revenue. I don't think it's gonna meet it. Does quarter two, so that is April to June 2022. So what event could contribute to it? First of all, we will think about tax refund. Yeah, tax refund could boost up a little bit, so parents could spend more money for kids to buy Roblox gift card. Yeah, but I don't think it's. I mean, the expectation of $644 million for quarter two, that's a little bit high. I don't think it's gonna meet. It's not gonna meet the expectation. I don't think so. Okay. It's kind of It's kind of, I don't know if this investor website is correct or this is correct. So why is the revenue over here is 537 and over here is asking for what did it say? Booking 631.2 million in the first quarter. I don't know if I have the right information, man. It's just based upon Weepoon platform to give me this information. I mean, if you compare between Facebook and Roblox, I think Roblox has more potential with the metaverse than Facebook. And it still have a lot of room to grow. It's not gonna be boring like Facebook. And it's so toxic. It's so toxic with Facebook. Okay. I don't know if it's gonna meet the expectation. So we will see. If it's not meeting the expectation, then the stock price could go down. That will be a significant event. And that is just like a short term for Roblox. We never know about 10 years from now what it could be growing to, but just my expectation. I think it will grow in big, especially for young like kids growing up and they still playing Roblox. It's like a gaming community for them, and that's where they spend their time with their friend playing game. Cause I saw my nephew like really like 5 years old, 6 years old playing Roblox with their friends. Even the 10 years old play with their friends as well, so it's not gonna go away, and more kids will be born and grow up, and that's where customer base is. Alright, look at the heat map. The market is really doing really well today. Everything is going up green. Yeah, if you like to buy some stock or invest stock today, just have few things to consider, because with the inflation rate, the Russian war with Ukraine, and then there's some corporation missing expectation out there. It's not everyone doing well, so just be careful. Don't get trapped, don't get fooled by this type of hype, because you gotta see more information in August to make some investment. When you make the investment, making sure you just do it little by little, build up your portfolio. Over time you will doing well. If you treat it as a gambling, then it won't go anywhere. You just keep losing money. Alright, I think that's good for today, and then I will make some more video later on. Maybe because I'm kind of busy with my work, uh, with a lot of things going on right now, so I will make another video later on if I see anything change or any significant event. And thank you for watching me.